It's black and white.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I hope you're having a good day. Um, Sorry about my voice. I've got terrible cold and I've got a sore throat, but I wanted to get this story out with you guys. So I am being harassed by this one business because I reviewed their product and I did not like it. I left an honest review. There was nothing personal against the business, but he has taken it to the next level. So the video we're talking about here is this one. It's called Bowden's Carnauba Body Wax. This is an Australian product. uh, I bought it thinking, hey, I should promote my local businesses. So I bought this product, gave it a shot. I did not like it, and so I left it an honest review, telling people what I had exactly experienced with the product, and what I did not like about it. The only thing I liked about it was that it smelled really good. It smelled like bubblegum. That was about the only thing I liked about it. But anyway, so like I'm a car enthusiast and car and motorcycle, I do detail my cars, that I do my own basic repairs, the ones that I can do at home. So I've been making videos to help out people to share my knowledge, whatever I had, with the rest of the world, so they can save some money and they can improve on their skill and they can learn new skills, right? So I also over the time learned how to detail my car. Now, I have detailed my car and my friend's car hundreds of times with, tens of products. And this was the first time I was truly really that disappointed with the product. So anyway, so I made this video and put it up on YouTube. So it was going well until, I see I had 8 likes, including mine, of course. Why not? I just did that today anyway. But yeah, so I made the video and then until Bowden's own found my video, right? And when they found my video, they everything changed, right? So he was obviously trashing everything that I had done, that I don't know what I'm doing. You can read this thing, what he's saying is the right preparation is critical. We have written da 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 contamination pain. I mean, I've done all that. I've washed my car, I've dried my car, and with the good products, and yeah, so I don't think he even seen my video, probably not completely, so he just skipped most of it and he just went on trashing. But still, he was, being professional about it because he has to, because he's the business owner. But this is where I started having problem with him. Here it says the fact there is a lot of product on the bonnet from the applicator, it helps uh, further creates your issue. Okay, yeah, let's get on to that. So this video is done by Dan Bowden himself, right? Showing the same product on how to apply it, right? Now look at the amount of product that he has on his applicator pad here, right? And this is my video. Look how much I have, right? I've got 3 little dots, right? And I used all the product on half of my bonnet, whereas he used it on a quarter, almost a quarter of the panel, right? Yet he's telling me that I'm using a lot of product that creates issue. Compare that with, where is it? This. You guys tell me who is using the more. So also the fact that he's only using it on a quarter panel, whereas I am using it on half a panel, right? So you guys tell me who is using more product here. But so is that a lie? And then he's also saying the microfiber cloth you have used also seem to be of poor quality. Of course, like now he's also got superpowers that he can feel the fabrics through the video of mine, which is fine. Okay, some people could be good at that, but then again, yeah, I don't have to buy the top-notch quality accessories to be able to use your product, right? I have used the same or similar microfiber towels for tons of other products and they have all given me good result. And he also keeps saying that I have he says here somewhere that I have used them again because I've used them with another different product before, so it creates contamination. There we go, contamination issues, I think here somewhere. But then yeah, I every single time I use my microfiber towels, I clean them in nice warm water and make sure they're absolutely clean before I use them again. Nobody would throw away the microfiber towels after one use, right? Get that straight. We don't have that much money or the luxury to keep doing that with every single product. And besides, I have used the other products with a similar process with a complete success. So basically, this is his attempt at trying to defend his product, which is fair enough. I guess, he's doing whatever he has to do to defend his product. But then the problem started when he started sending all these people to comment and trash my video and dislike my video. So what happened was I got this like really nasty comments from these two guys, but then I went on their channel and I checked it. They were all Bowden subscriber. But if you go on Bowden's channel, this is Bowden's own channel. He's only got 2,200 subscribers. So this has to be the biggest coincidence, or they have to be the most loyal fans of this brand that they felt the need to come to my channel to like trash me and defending Bowden and everything. So I confronted them. It's like, hey, I know you are subscribed to Bowden's own channel, and you have been liking every single one of his videos and every single video that I've been to, that you've been commenting, yeah, this product is great, it's beautiful. I feel like you are either related to Bowden or you work for him. And sure enough, as soon as I left that comment, I only left that comment for one guy, right? And I think about an hour later, both of the comments got deleted. Both of them, right? How did the other one know? So Bowden's like, oh crap, this guy's on to us, right? So then, but then I didn't get any comments for next few days. But after I think a couple of weeks, I started getting the comments again, and there was a pattern. I was getting a comment uh, every 2 hours, every 2 hours during the work hours only the work hours. I wouldn't get any other comments at any other time. So, and they were all the same. You don't know what you're doing. Your microfiber towels are bad. You're using too much product. We have used this product. It's amazing. Exactly what Bowden was saying. So come on. I mean, see how many comments are there? They're all saying the exact same thing, or they're calling me an idiot or something like that in those lines. But they're all saying like, you have no idea. The car don't washes don't matter, blah 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 blah. And anyway, yeah, so you get the idea. So they were all banging the same drum that you don't know what you're doing, you're an idiot. Which I can take criticism. I'm like, okay, maybe I don't know what I'm doing, but I knew what I was doing. I just stopped feeding the trolls. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna, because they kept saying, oh no, we are not. Before you even say that we are sent by Bowden, think twice, because I have my own business. I'm a professional detailer, and I swear by this product. Blah 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 blah. But there has been a lot of comments in here. I can't be bothered to go through that. Until today, I found a solid evidence that he has been actually sending these people to leave comments. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go into my notifications here, so this is the notifications that I got today, right? Look here. So I have got these two comments, one by Jordan King. You have no idea what you're doing, dot dot dot. Please stop making videos. You are talking out of your um, a dot dot dot. If you can't afford decent gear, don't just buy one bottle and expect it to work with your cheap Tencent. 7 hours ago, right? But then coincidentally, Daniel Betts, right? This was Jordan King. Now Daniel Betts commented 7 hours ago, you have no idea what you're doing, dot dot dot. Please stop making videos. You're talking out of your A dot dot dot. If you can't afford decent gear, don't just buy one bottle and expect it to work with your cheap Tencent. Dot dot dot. Right. Now, these are two completely different people. How can these two people get the exact same comment down to their dot dot dots right? How is this even possible? Right? So yeah, Dan, you just messed up there, man. But what they did was they didn't post both of these. So they posted Daniel's comment first, but then they deleted Daniel's comment. They thought, oh no, it probably be better coming from Jordan the King. So let Jordan King send the comment. So yeah, so if you go here, like click on Jordan King's comment in my notifications, the video would jump straight to his comment so I can reply to if I want to, right? There we go. So Jordan King has left me this comment. But if I try to go on Daniel Betts' comment, sorry, my cough is catching up to me. Uh, let's see the comment section. See, it didn't jump because the comment doesn't exist anymore. So now it would jump to the normal highest liked comment. Right, there you go. So yeah, Dan Borden, you just messed up, mate. I will be reporting you to YouTube for doing this because, come on, mate, you're a business owner. You should be able to take criticism, right? Some of your goons were saying, "Oh, you can't take criticism." So, well, if it was honest criticism, I would definitely take it. I would improve upon my technique. But I know that I've used the same exact technique with other products and it has worked completely fine until use your product, and you are saying that your product is some exception that has to that the laws of physics don't apply to it or something, that I have to buy new microfiber tiles, I have to buy new gear, and I have to go study detailing before I can use your product. Screw you, mate. I don't care. You know, I got a proof. You are a shit. Well, I don't want to use this language, but you are using bad business practices, mate. You're not doing yourself favors here, right? You just lost a customer forever, and I will be making sure that none of my friends using your product ever again. What sort of a business are you? This is just absolutely disgraceful. All right. I hope you guys get the message what I'm talking about here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, and Dan, see you later, mate.
Just black and white.